Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone guys screen recording guys, how can we on and use. Friends, you want to on guys phone screen recording settings, so how can we on and how can we use today friends. I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video, and first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So how to on screen recording. So first of all guys, swipe it, and friends you can see guys phone screen recording guys, we will tap here. So I will tap on my phone screen recording setting. Friends, you can see screen recording icon. So friends, you want to on, so at this red button guys, you will have to tap here to start your screen recording. So screen recording will start, and guys, you want to record something in your phone, so you can record. And friends, you can use get this screen recording sound from here. System setting guys, tap here and guys click on guys screen recording setting. Screen recording sound guys, you can on and you can off from here. So like that guys, you can use. And friends, you want to stop, so guys you can see pause button, so you can pause from here. And friends, now guys, and guys you want to show guys this page direct, so guys tap here. And guys now guys we will continue. So like that guys, you can pause and continue guys screen recording setting. And guys you want to save, so guys tap here to save. So friends, you can check guys the screen recording setting in your Oppo phone device. And we will tap here guys. First you can see screen recording setting guys, you can use from here. So like that guys, you can start means guys you can on and you can use your screen recording setting in your Oppo phone device. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video.